Mm-hmm. So I'm like, oh, he about to kill it. You know what I'm saying? Pressure, you know I'm applying this shit. Them niggas ain't coming through here, no bricks. I ride by my, I stay with a blick. One nigga. See what they hitting on. They're juicy already. I tried to break a piece off and started dripping.
Fried chickens is the other one.
They're pretty good. Tastes like chicken fried chicken. These are good.
I want that at Big Bird. You can tell they're not just.
This is like one of them. Like you get the chicken tenders from a place and you're like, oh my god, these chicken tenders. Yeah, like that.
She was coming back. She's like, you know, Buc-ee's had chicken strips. Yes, they do.
You got order them. Maybe I should go to Buc-ee's next. It's pretty good. I say 8.5 out of 10.